Hello everyone, it's Deb from Artsology. I thought I'd come back today and show you the journals that I've started. There were so many pages, I guess I'm going to make 2 journals. So I'm just going to do a flip through today. I did get my pages sewn. I just want to make sure I'm good. I'm not good, am I? So I'm going to just fix that just a wee bit. There we go. Okay, so I've sewn them. I've added, this is wallpaper, some music paper, some notes, stitched. This is coffee paper. Yeah, it was hard. There 43 pages for one kit is like doing at least 2 journals. I could have maybe done 3, but had I not been sewing pages together, it could have been 3. So anyways, that gives you an idea. Anyways, this is coffee dyed paper, you know, that printed type. There's a few things I want to coffee dye in here. This is from the Audubon book that I have, and it was creased here, but that's okay. It'll be all right. I'm going to coffee dye that by itself, and I might put a little bit of coffee dye on this, maybe. I'm not sure. But anyways, I guess you want to see it's exactly the same going backwards, so I'll just do a quick flip back. Coffee dyed. Part of that notes. And this is a very long music sheet paper, so I'm going to probably do just a flip out or something there. I'm not sure really what I'm going to do. So that's the first journal. This is the second one. It's a bit more on the blue side, but there's pink in here as well. I did get one of these in. I thought, yes, I have one in the other one as well. Here's an Audubon paper. This isn't part of the kit. It's something else I printed, as well as this back side. And I found some old ledger paper, and it was cracking, so I fixed it by adding just a piece of paper along the side, so that'll keep it together. This is from something else, as well as this. And that's the center. So now we're going back. This is going to be fun to do. And again, more long music paper. And that's the back. So I just thought I'd come and give you a sneak peek of the 2 journals I'm working on. So Once I do a little bit more, I'll come back and show you what I'm doing. Take care, everyone. Bye now.